turn store-bought dough into something amazing. Whole Foods pizza dough. It's good, but let's make it great. First, let's remove the dough out of the bags. Then we're going to take each portion and cut it in half. Flour up those hands and let's make dough balls. Pick up a dough and fold it in half. Rotate 90 degrees and then grab the ends. Here's your mantra: press and fold. With each press, the dough is getting more and more taut. Do this about 15 or 20 times. Place the smooth side into your palm and then pinch that seam closed. I made a bunch, but repeat this with each ball. I'm going to oil up these delis and place my dough inside and cover. If you don't have delis, place your doughs on a dusted sheet tray and just cover with plastic wrap. We're ready for the final proof. Let the dough rest for 3 hours before baking. About an hour before launch time, preheat your oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, convection it to powder, and place a steel inside. I'm lucky I have 2 today. It's time to stretch out the dough. Remove the dough and coat each side with flour. Start by lightly pressing that dough. It's going to feel like a cloud. Press until the dough is about 6 or 7 inches in diameter, and then we're going to pick it up. Pick it up, place the dough on the back of your knuckles, and then just turn it like a steering wheel. Just be careful not to go poke through the dough. You don't want holes. We're really letting gravity do all the work here. Grab your peel and lightly dust it with semolina and flour, and then spread it around. Place your dough on top, and then I like to pinch the edges. All right, let's sauce it up. I'm using a can of Bianco di Napoli crushed tomatoes with a little bit of sea salt, and I'm just painting it on top. Next, let's add some cheese. I'm using a low moisture mozzarella and a fontina cheese. I grate it right on top. It should look something like this. Adding some fresh mozzarella. All right, let's go in the oven. Remember, the back of the peel to the back of the steel, and gently shuffle it off. All right, after 2 minutes, open the oven up and rotate the pizza 180 degrees. Bake for 2 more minutes and remove. It's beautiful. Let's take a look underneath. Ah, that crust is gorgeous. Slice and serve and enjoy with someone that you love.